meet the staff of Wolf Creek Wellness, a mental health facility in Wadsworth, Ohio.
Well, I was in school for oceanography, and I took an intro to social work class, and I just knew. Love people, love the profession. So I've been a counselor for 44 years, and because I'm a Spanish-speaking therapist, I kind of have to see everyone that speaks Spanish. So I love children. That's children and adolescents are my specialty, but I see everyone. So I think it's the connection with the clients. Having that connection with people is so beautiful. There's nothing better than personal growth. Learning about yourself, being supported by you having support. So it's just a really good atmosphere. Our director is fabulous. He keeps just making the place better in so many ways. Very thoughtful, considerate, client-oriented. I love flowers. I love flowers and I love water. So oceans, rivers, lakes.
She's one of the best. Wolf Creek's own Jan Maynor. Start your journey today toward better mental health and wellness by calling Wolf Creek Wellness at 330-690-2337, 330-690-2337.